Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome back to Backspace. In this helpful Microsoft Word tutorial, we will learn how to save a Word document as a PDF without comments, markup or trade changes. This is perfect for creating clean professional PDFs for clients, teachers, officials, printing and online sharing. If your PDF shows comment or review notes after saving, this tutorial will help you to remove them properly before export. So let's get started. At first you have to open your document. Now we can see here some comment. Now I want to save the document as a PDF without comment. At first remove the comment. Click the right button of the comment. Click delete comment option. Then go to another and delete this comment. Now we can see here no comment. Go to the file menu. Click the save as option and choose browse. Then choose your file location and click the save as type. Now I am choose PDF. Click save. Then we can see here the PDF automatically open on Chrome browser. Now we can see we save a document without comment as a PDF very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.